Math Standard 8G A3. Given triangle ABC, select true or false for each statement about the sequences of transformations that can verify that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, and C prime. So here, the triangle on the second quadrant is the original image or the pre-image. The triangle in the fourth quadrant is the transform image. So let us determine which of this is true and or false. Triangle ABC is reflected across the y-axis, followed by a reflection across the x-axis. So if I will reflect this image across the y-axis, this will become my line of symmetry. Alright, so this y-axis will become my line of symmetry. So let's reflect it. So if point C is 3 units away from the line of symmetry, all I have to do is to count 3 units on the opposite direction. So 1, 2, and then 3. So this will be your C prime. And then for B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the B prime is right here. And then the C is, or the A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units away from the line of symmetry. So from here, count 5 units on the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So this is my reflected triangle across the y-axis. Alright. So again, we simply reflected the image, this one across the y-axis. Alright. Then from here it says followed by a reflection across the x-axis. So this time, this will become my line of symmetry. The x will become my line of symmetry or line of reflection. Alright, so this point is how many units away from the line of symmetry or line of reflection? 1, 2, and then 3. So let's count downwards. 1, 2, and then 3. Alright, so the same thing with this one. 3 units away. 1, 2, and then 3. Then count 3 units downward. 1, 2, and then 3. Alright, now about the point A. So the A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units away from the line of reflection or line of symmetry. So let's count 7 units downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore, alright, the first statement is true. That the triangle ABC is reflected across the y-axis, followed by a reflection across the x-axis. Alright, and then here, the next is triangle ABC is reflected across the x-axis, followed by a reflection on the across the y-axis. So this time, this one is reflected from the x-axis. So this will be your line of reflection. So this will be right here. Alright. So your triangle will be right here. Alright, that's going to be from here 1, 2, and 3. From here 1, 2, and then 3. Alright, and so on. And then from here it says followed by a reflection across the y-axis. So from here you will reflect this image across the y-axis. So this will be right here. So therefore this one is also true. Alright, now next, triangle ABC is reflected across the y-axis, which is this one, followed by a translation 6 units downward. So let's check. Let's count 6 units downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Alright, and then this one the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So as you can see, the triangle will be somewhere right here. Alright, so therefore the last statement is false.